Alright. Huh? Say hello to your Auntie Urania. Say hello, Kiva. Food. Food, baby. Baby food. Kiva, look.
There's that best girl now.
Yeah, it's a camera.
The camera.
Do you want the camera off? Get the paps away, is what she's saying.
Can't even eat on that.
Let me see your feet. Kick your feet.
What?
Here, look, this is going to be...
Distraction. And the keys. What? No, don't make faces on camera. Do you want to give Unky Gav the keys? Thank you. No. You're going to eat the keys. Fair.
It's noisy at breakfast. It's noisy at breakfast.
Eat for your mommy. Good girl. No, not the keys after. No, you wash it down with milk. Not milk.